Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 questions for TGT, PGT, LT grade, English grammar and other English grammar associated exams. Let's start. Pick out the most effective pair of words from the given pairs of words to make the sentence meaningfully complete. इस सेंटेंस को मीनिंगफुली कंप्लीट करना है. सेंटेंस इज इट इज हाइट ऑफ ब्लैंक स्पेस फॉर मैन हु फुल्ली अप्रिशिएट इन दियर वन केस द ग्रेट एडवांटेजेस ऑफ ए गुड एजुकेशन बट ब्लैंक स्पेस these advantages to women. Arrogance, abstain, propensity, vasto, proliferation, advance, selfishness, Danny. What will be correct answer? It is height of selfishness for men who fully appreciate. तो यहाँ सेल्फिश फिल किया जाएगा. In their one case the great advantages of a good education but Danny यहाँ फिल किया जाएगा Danny but Danny these advantages to women. So the option D will be the right answer. Next question. At the dawn of history, India blank space on her unending quest and trackless centuries are blank space with her striving and the grandeur of her success and her failures started, filled, marched, evolved, proceeded, pulled, started, vanished. What will be correct answer? At the dawn of history, India started on her unending quest and trackless centuries are filled with her striving and the grandeur of her success and her failure. So the option A will be the right answer. Next question. In the questions given below, a sentence is divided into some parts labeled P, Q, R and S. Arrange the sentences to form a complete meaningful sentence. Western civilization is so powerful and so uniform. Its external way of life in its character that it is bound to influence every national culture by affecting. So the option will be S P R Q. SPRQ. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. The little girl said to her friend, it was not quite right, and go to work. For the mother to leave little children on their own. So the option Q S P R. So the option will be QSPR. QSPR. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Question number. Direction in the given questions. Each sentence has been given some possible substitution for the italicized part. If one of them is better than the italicized part, indicate your response against the corresponding letter. He gave the IS examination in all seriousness. Appeared, took, undertook, no improvement. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be took. Option D will be the right. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. The intruder stood quietly for few moments, for few time, for a few moments, for the few moments, no improvement. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be correct answer will be for a few moments. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. In each of the following questions, out of the given alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the idiom oblique phrase in Italy in the sentence. Childhood and innocence lie cheek by jowl together, one after another, side by side, proportionately. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be side by side. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. He is a queer fish. I have failed to understand him. Funny person, sensitive person, strange person, quarrelsome person. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be a strange person. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Each given question is an idiomatic expression and its four possible meanings are given. Find out the correct meaning. To eat humble pea. To go to ruins. To spade rapidly. To be earnest. To apologize. What will be correct answer? Correct meaning is to eat humble pea. Correct meaning is to apologize. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. To cry wolf. To come to what is most important. To give false alarm. To turn pale. To be astonished. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be to give false alarm. Option B will be the right answer. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning about 10 questions. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much.